Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching my video, the XSrian-Cooking show. Today I'm making Japanese cucumber salad. This is an English cucumber. The recipe actually calls for Japanese cucumbers, 2 of them, but they're hard to find in the United States, at least where I live, so I'm using an English cucumber. Slice it real thin, using a dull knife, that's alright, make it work. You can use a slicer, a lot easier. Now add them to a bowl, about half a tablespoon of salt, and stir it around. Squeeze out all the juice. You can use the juice for dressings or other things. I'll get to that in another video. Dry out the sliced cucumbers very well. Heavy-duty paper towels. Now making a dressing using half a tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and about 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Stir really good until the sugar dissolves. Now once the cucumbers have dried out, add them to the dressing. Give it a real good stir. Very healthy. Now top it with about a teaspoon of white sesame seeds, and it's ready to eat, but I recommend letting it sit in the refrigerator for about 24 hours, let it marinate. Thanks so much for watching. Find a complete recipe on Google+. I'm on all social media, XSrian-Cooking. Have a great day.